In this video, I'm gonna share with you the 3-step framework to making as much money as you possibly want. Following this exact framework is how I went from zero to making my first $1 million online. Plus, if you stay to the end, I'll show you how you can sell any digital product, course, or community with zero investment. And if you still don't have anything to sell, I'll hook you up with a digital product that you can start selling today. And the best part, I'll give it to you 100% free. I ask nothing in return except that you simply hit that like button if you get any value out of this video. Things have definitely changed over the years. You can start a business today from just your phone without being an expert, a published author, or any experience at all. So the question is, how do you do it? Let me show you. Step 1 is to build an audience. To do this, you need to pick a platform: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. What you need to do is pick something that you jive with, that you know you can consistently post content to. Once you've picked your platform, the next step is to choose a niche. Now there's 3 highly profitable niches that you should go into, and that is health, wealth, and relationships. These 3 niches are evergreen and allow you to create content and sell different products that will solve people's problems. And inside of each one of these niches, people are willing to pay a premium to get their problem solved. The next step is to research successful creators inside your niche. And you have one goal when researching these creators, and that is to simply learn from them. If you need to, take notes. What you need to do in this portion is to become a sponge and learn as much as possible. One word of warning on this though is that you don't want to get stuck in learning mode, because if you're stuck in learning mode, you're not going to go to the next step, which we're going to right now. After you've started learning from people who are already successful, you need to start doing and implementing what you've been learning. Then comes the real part. You need to turn around and start sharing your findings with other people. A lot of people may say teaching, but if you come at it with a point and perspective of sharing, it becomes a lot easier that way. Step number 2 is to engage your audience. So how do you engage your audience? Well, first you can continue to post more through comments, through DMs, and most importantly, through email marketing. When you continue to engage with your audience, this builds trust. And in order to sell something, you need to build trust with your audience. Step number 3 is to sell to your audience. Create a product that solves a problem or fulfills a desire for your audience. Something that gets them results or moves them towards a goal. This is the 3-step formula that allowed me to quit my career in the military and make money online. And if you take this framework to heart and actually implement it, I know for a fact you'll get results. So now how can you sell to your audience with a platform that's absolutely free? There's lots of different softwares out there, and honestly, a lot of them are very spendy. But what if you could do it absolutely free? Let's say that you already created a digital product, a course, or a community, or you want to create one, but here's the kicker. You can do it for free. Let me show you. This is a platform called Whop. It's 100% free to use and really easy to set up. I'll leave my link in the description where you can get signed up for free. But let me show you how this works. I'm just going to click on here, create new organization. I'm going to click continue. And then I'm going to name what I want to call my product. So I'm going to say this is called, let's just say it's Digital Nomads. And then I'm going to click continue. And then they want to know, how does the Whop help people? So what is this about? So all I said was learn how to make money while traveling. And then I'm going to click continue. And then it starts building your store. Then you're going to see this page right here, which is your product sales page. So you can come in here and start editing this. And this is what everyone is going to see when they're looking to buy your product. Now, I will tell you that you can do all of this from your phone. They have an app where you can simply create this with your smartphone. But if I toggle this over here, it'll show us a preview. But let's just say right here, I want to upload media. This is a spot where you can upload media for the face of your sales page. So I created this real quick for this video to show you what this would look like. So I'm going to save that. I'm going to click save right here. And now you can see that I have this picture here. Let's just say that I want to add functionality to this. Over here on the right-hand side, you'd click on manage apps, click on add new app. And now this is where you can start adding courses, forums. You can add suggestions, events with a calendar, which you can also set up as paid. You can add links. You can put a calendar in here for booking. You can connect Discord. So let's say that I want to add a chat to this product. I'm going to click on chat and then I'm going to click on add. Now inside of the product, you have a chat window where all of the sales that you make, you're going to have your customers in here with a live chat. I'm going to come back over here and click on add new app. And let's say that I want to add a course. So I'll click on course and now we're going to add a course to the product. Now all you have to do is click on begin setup. Click on create your course and let's give it a name. I gave it the name Digital Nomad Elite because we're going to charge for this. Then all you have to do is click on continue. Now let's give our course a tagline. All I said was earn while traveling the world. Then you just click on continue again. Now we're going to give our course a description. Here we go. I have now added a description and then you click on continue. All right, this is what your course would look like, just like this. And they even have randomized image. So if you click on that, it'll scroll through images just randomly and you can choose what you want. I like this one, so we'll stick with that. Then on the right-hand side, you can see you can choose for different lessons. You can require that they complete them in order. You can do video protection, and then you even can do certificates, which is new, and that's pretty cool. If you come over here and hover on a lesson and click on it, it's gonna open up this and you can upload your video file right here for the video course lesson. You can also attach files right here. You can put text down at the bottom and you can even choose to drip feed it. If you want to add a new lesson, you simply click on add new lesson. You can choose if it's multimedia, just text. If you want a video, in this case, we'll just say multimedia. You click on create lesson and now you have a new lesson right here and you can edit it just like that. Now comes the fun part, and that is charging for your products. Now WOP has its own built-in payment system where you can take payment. So I'm going to click on manage pricing. We're going to select add pricing option for this. I'm going to choose paid and I don't have it completely set up right now, but that's fine. I'm going to click on continue. We can choose a subscription if you want to do like a membership or a single payment. So I'm going to click on continue with single payment. And then I'm going to say that this product is $47. Revoke access automatically, never. So we want them to have access forever. You can choose the stock on here. You can make it add a wait list if you want. And then I'm just going to click on continue. And then do you want it visible on the store or only access through a checkout link? In this case, I want it visible on the store and I'm going to click on continue. And now we have our storefront. If I go into the preview mode, people can now come here. They can see what's included. There's a chat and there's a course in here. They'll scroll down. They'll see a profile if you decide to set that up. Reviews will end up showing up here and you can choose to offer an affiliate program if you'd like, where people can add this to their dashboard and make affiliate commissions. All this is built inside and it's all for free. So if someone wants to join, they would simply click on join. And then this is where they would have the payment. But because I don't have payment set up for this WOP specifically, it's not going to show right now. It really is that simple. And the cool thing is the application that comes on your phone, your students will also download that and it sends push notifications through the app to their phone, which is super cool because a lot of other softwares where you would get an app like that, they're going to charge you a premium for that functionality. Again, I'll leave my link in the description if you want to check out WOP for free. Now, if you have nothing to sell, I told you I'm going to give you something absolutely free, and it's a digital product guide that I'm giving to you for free that you can go out and resell. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. Click that link, go to my website, give me your email address, and I will send the guide to your email address. Once you get it, you can download it, you can have it, you can edit it in Canva, and guess what? You can resell it for whatever you want as many times as you want. Go watch this video next. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. I truly appreciate it. This is Nathan with Freedom Influencer, and of course, I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.